Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Chambere or Chambre.com, your new go-to online store or just another scam site in disguise. If you've come across their flashy deals and are wondering if it's safe to shop there, stick around, we've got answers. But a quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on research and public information. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that is going to show you my exact process. Links in the description. Shomberry.com presents itself as a sleek online shop offering all sorts of products, tech gear, beauty tools, home gadgets, often at prices that seem too good to be true. And unfortunately, that's the first red flag. According to malware tips, Shomberry.com checks every box for a scam shopping site. Unrealistic prices designed to bait buyers, no trustworthy contact information, stolen product images and copied legal policies, no social media presence or verified customer reviews, and most importantly, orders are never fulfilled. They collect your payment and personal information and then go dark. Shumberry.com is not a legitimate online store. The lack of transparency, shady tactics, and expert warnings make it crystal clear. This site is a scam. If you value your money and personal data, avoid this website completely and stick with reputable online retailers. If you or someone you know almost fell for Shumberry.com, share your story in the comments to help others stay safe. Like and subscribe for more straight up reviews that help you shop smarter.